Hello students, this is Vikalp Chitransh, your English teacher, will teach you English language and literature class 9th. As you all know that our country is facing a serious problem, that is of COVID-19. Lockdown is done due to this. Each and every process of country is stopped, but nothing can be stopped for longer time. In this regard, our education can't stop. To continue our education, I am providing you e-learning classes. Today, in my introductory class, I will introduce you with your books which you have to study and the format of the paper through which you are able to prepare yourself throughout the year and concentrate on these things. Now I will show you your books. This is your first book named as Beehive. In this 11 chapters and 10 poems are included, which I will show you through content. This is your content here. In black ink, you see the chapters. The first chapter is the fun they had. The second chapter is the sound of the music, and so on is given here. In red ink, the poem are given here. The first poem is The Road Not Taken. Next is Wind, and so on. The rest portion you can see at the back side of the page. Here is given here. Now I will tell you about the second poem, or we can say book, that is named as Moments. In this 10 short stories are included, which I will show through your content here. This is your content. As I told you, they are 10 in number. First chapter is of the story which you study is The Lost Child, The Adventure of Toto, and so on. Now I will show you the format of the paper which I mentioned earlier. This is the format of the paper. This is divided in 3 sections. Section A, reading section. Section B, writing and grammar. Section C, literature. In section A, you have to solve 2 passages. One factual, second discursive. Next section B is of writing section and grammar, as I told you. First of all, you have to solve the writing section, that is diary entry and article. In those 2 things, choices there. Wordings you have to include is 100 to 150 words. Next question you have to solve is of short story writing. The 150 words and 200 words you have to write here. This is compulsory question. Next you have to solve the gap filling. In this, 1 paragraph is provided. Suitable words you have to fill in the filling place. Next question you have to solve is editing and omission. Choices there. 1 paragraph is provided here. Line wise, if we talk about the editing, you have to detect the mistakes and correct them. In omission, the things are omitted which you have to insert and write. Next, reordering of the sentence. In sentence, words are jumbled, yet that you have to arrange them and make a meaningful sentence. Now we talk about the section C, that is of literature. First question is extract based questions, which will come from Beehive. 2 extracts will come from chapter and poem. Choices there. You have to attempt only 1. Below that, some questions are given. After studying the lines, you have to solve the questions. Next, you have to sort out the short questions from Beehive and Moments. Next, 1 long question you have to solve from Beehive, and last, 1 more question you have to solve from Moments. Now, I am closing my introduction class here itself, and will continue our next class, in which I will teach you first chapter of Beehive. Thank you. Have a nice day.